Hi everyone, welcome to Data Precision with Shino, and we'll be building something awesome together. And here are a couple of code labs in front of us: launching portfolio, to do web app, multiplayer game, building maps, building AI apps, and build our first Android app with AI Studio. So let's go to the first one, which is to launch our portfolio website with AI. So here is the code lab: launch your portfolio website with AI. So we're doing it on a Mac M1 device, and we have to our left here, we have the steps. We have 8 steps here for this particular code lab, and this code lab was put together and written by Luke Schlangen. For every step we want to take a forward step, we click on the blue next button in our lower right. Now, about this code lab, where does building with AI start today? For most of us, it starts with a query or prototype. So Google AI Studio offers a powerful build mode, often referred to as vibe coding, that lets you design, test, and build web applications using code generation driven by AI models. So I would like to increase the font of this code lab, so I use the command and plus sign on my keyboard. So in this code lab, we build a personal website portfolio. The AI Studio agent will write the front end code. Once the app is polished, you will deploy it straight to Cloud Run with a single click. So what we'll do, we'll prompt AI Studio to prototype a personal website, test the application in the interactive preview sandbox, then deploy the application to run directly as to Cloud Run directly from the AI Studio UI. So what we'll learn, how to use AI Studio's build mode to rapidly prototype a front-end service using natural language, and how to deploy our AI Studio application as a serverless container on Cloud Run. So let us go to the next step. The next step is our project setup. So before launching AI Studio, we'll verify our account status and prerequisites. If you don't already have a Google account, you can create a Google account with this link to sign up. Tips for this is use a personal Google account for this lab if possible. Group or corporate or school accounts may enforce workspace policies that disable experimental features or cloud integrations. So that's part of IAM, which is Identity, Access and Management. Now, we'll review the billing details for deployments. We need a Google Cloud starter tier, allows publishing for 2 full stack applications in a select region at no cost without establishing a full cloud billing account. Then standard deployment connects to an existing paid Google Cloud project and expands storage limits, CPU resources, and APIs. Next. Now, we create a portfolio website in AI Studio build mode. We create the application shell and prompt the AI code assistant to build the front end layout. So we'll now navigate to AI Studio apps panel and click on new app. So we can click on the link here, or right click and we open link in new tab, which is what I've done. Now, this is the welcome screen for Google AI Studio. So we can have a preview of its features. We're seeing the versions, secrets, we have usage and cost. So here we are on the build app section. We'll build a new app. That's where we are now. You can see my apps, you can see the gallery for publicly, you can see history, you can see playground for chatting with the AI. So In the chat prompt box, we'll enter description for our portfolio application. So click on this copy code sample. It has been copied to clipboard down here. We come here, we paste it in, Command V. So you want to build a professional portfolio website. The site should have a modern, responsive design and sections. So let's increase this font size. So Command plus. So the site should have a modern, responsive design and sections for my biography, project showcase, skills, and links to my professional profiles. So here they've given GitHub, LinkedIn, so I can add to it Medium, and also add to it can add GitHub, Medium, LinkedIn, and have in addition to that, basically since you've mentioned professional profiles, I think my personal profile on X, I put in brackets Twitter, close brackets, I can put in bracket, I can also put hash node and many more. So let us go building. So before we go building, let's see what our API key. So to verify our for this. So I have previous API keys and billings. So let's just go back to our build. Let's see if we can go back here. So we lost what we pasted there, so paste it again. So bring it back. Medium. ZX in bracket. Meter. Close bracket. I think basically we can also add hash node as I did earlier. So let's click on build. So now the AI Studio agent Gemini is building our fully website. Let's do a bit of command and minus to reduce the font size. So while the building is going on, you can see that it's probably using some Google search data, generating theme. So we can select our theme. We have the bold typography, we have the filter aesthetic, we have the professional basic, we have sleek, we have the artistic flair. So I think let's just pick the bold typography for this. You can see on this side here we have the agent building. When we come to code, you can see the back end of our website inputs together. So you can see that it has indicated we have the platforms. So you can see hash node. So the AI agent on this one has added YouTube, Substack, email, custom, other platforms. We're already generating our app. So we'll come back to our guide. We've clicked build. So let's go to the next section by clicking on the blue next box. So before launching the service live, we'll run validation text in interactive preview. Once the first build ends, we'll open preview pane inside Google AI Studio. It's a preview pane. So if we come back here, you can see the preview pane. So our app is about to be built. Once the first version comes up, we'll see it in the preview pane. You can see the code section is increasing. See now it's working on the hero.txt file, so you can see the busy bar here. So open the hero.txt file, open the navbar.tsx file. So we can do a lot of things. We can tell it to put together a MD for this. So we can later push to GitHub. We can tell it to put together an architecture.md. We can tell it to put together a design.md also. When we take it to a different platform so people get to interact with it. I think we'll get in a preview soon. So what we'll do next is looking at the preview and the code. So our code is coming out. So with the code coming out and the preview, we would wait. So our preview is about to come up. Our code is also being built. So what we have next, you can see from the code, we're having it work on the social links at the moment. So from the social links, we'll be seeing other parts of the code being built. We have the preview still being generated. Our preview is still being generated. So it's editing the files. You can see it's working here. Once you click on the arrow, now constructing our resume model. Come to our code base. Once you see the busy icon here, we know generation of our website is our product is still ongoing. Remember, we have target for it. So what we have now is the application running. As we are running, our preview is ongoing. We have the code going. So while it's still going on, remember we will be doing fixing of errors. We will be changing styling and color. I will instruct the agent through the chat window. We will also add any features that we feel are missing. So it's still running. So you can see it has given us a message here that has designed a modern. So the message is here on the left of our screen. It has given us key features and design highlights. It has given us project showcase. It has put a skill matrix. You can see we have the index HTML ready, our metadata ready. So it's just put together what the profile should be. It has given us a a resume viewer and PDF printer. It has given us a live portfolio studio and personal switcher. And remember, we choose to apply the bold typography design theme to the app. So that has been applied. It's updating our navigation bar. Once it does that, I'm sure it's going to give us access to the first preview. So we have it ready, going. So our product first version is almost ready, and we would stop here and continue when it's done.